Hi, my name is Tara Rowe, and today I will be discussing exceptionality and diverse learners. First off, what are exceptional children? According to Heward, he defines exceptional children as children that differ from the norm. They are either below or above the average. That includes children who experience difficulties in learning, as well as those who are gifted or perform superior. Exceptional children is an inclusive term that refers to children with learning or behavior problems, physical disabilities, or sensory impairments, as well as who are intellectually gifted or have a special talent. What are the basic needs of exceptional students, and how can educators help them meet their needs? This was a question that I found in our textbook, and thought that it would be a great concept to focus in on. It is very important that educators realize that exceptional students' basic needs are just the same. They're very similar to the basic needs of all the other students in their class. Self-actualization is the main potential of all children, according to Abraham Maslow. And according to Maslow's hierarchy of needs, all children should be gaining or focusing, striving to get to their self-actualization. The three needs we as educators must keep in mind for gifted children as well as our children with disabilities is communication, acceptance, and freedom to grow. Here I have charted the basic needs of exceptional students and how teachers can assist them in those three areas. First, communication. Communication is very important because exceptional children need straight, honest communication. Teachers can assist with this by helping exceptional children understand their exceptionality and how to deal with it appropriately in order to reach their full potential. It's no need to keep it a secret from them. It actually helps them understand how they can build on their exceptionality. Secondly, acceptance. Teachers can facilitate the acceptance of a child in a classroom by exhibiting an open and positive attitude. And I also put down a positive attitude equals a positive classroom. So if you're exhibiting a positive attitude of the acceptance of exceptional children in your classroom, then the classroom will also, the other students will also have a positive attitude towards the exceptionality of that child. Also, lastly, the freedom to grow. Teachers should encourage independence in exceptional students. Why? Because you do not want to have them to be hindered. You don't want to constantly give them a crutch. You want them to learn and have further independence and self-respect. That's what they will gain from encouraging them to be more independent. And in conclusion, it is important that we as educators create a classroom that is accepting of all children, and that the needs of our exceptional students are just as important as the needs of our average students. We should encourage their need to reach their full potential and to grow to gain independence. That concludes my presentation. Thank you. My name is Tara Rowe. Thank you for watching.